Today is cooking to impress. We're going to cook salmon. We're going to flambe the salmon with martini bianco. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put this garlic, chili, and oil in the pan. Fresh spinach, straight in there, okay? Spinaci all'arrabbiata. Now we're gonna cook salmon. I want to get the skin nice and crispy. We get the salt. I'm gonna season on one side. Remember, salmon, we want it completely raw in the middle.
You want it raw in the middle?
Raw in the middle, yeah? Nice and moist. Now, once you got at the beginning on a really high heat, then you can lower slowly. Can you see that it's changing color?
Yeah.
It tells you that it's the time to flip it over. Okay, beautiful, look at that. Okay, this is pretty much done now. Get rid of the oil. Then very simply, you get your martini bianco. Goes in there. In there, we're gonna put a little bit of double cream. You get the spinach, like that. Now, the sauce, just put a little bit on the salmon. It's as simple as that. Happy?
Yes.
Okay, this is the last cook. This is your last chance to know each other. Enjoy. Let's cook up some love. Go, 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 go. Show me what you can do. Redeem yourself from yesterday.
So how do you feel about me just literally taking control in the kitchen?
You just tell me what to do.
Yeah.
I'll do it if I can.
Okay.
But I feel a lot better than yesterday.
Good. Good, good, good. So I think last night's date helped the dynamic between Mark and I. Sometimes we just take a little bit longer to warm up.
I think you'd be a dab hand at this spinach.
Right, okay, you ready?
Is it hot yet? I'm definitely looking forward to getting to know Alison Bettett, so I've got high hopes for today.
This is bubbling. Now we add the spinach.
Happy with that?
What do you like doing in your spare time?
Like going to the gym.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you like doing in the gym?
But I just love 45 minutes of sweating, being
Yeah.
told what to do.
I also love being sweaty for 45 minutes and being told what to do.
So compatible.
I think the vibe on mine and Matt's table was really, really fun. There was a lot of flirting going on between Matt and I.
I'm gonna put the spinach in now.
How much?
All of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
All of it?
All of it.
Really?
Yeah.
All of this?
Yeah, yeah. Do all of it.
Okay.
Amazing.
Yeah, looking good.
Perfect. Well done, my darling.
Looking good. Looking good.
How you two doing?
We're very good, thank you.
Yeah,
Everything all right?
Yeah, we've got that's nice and warm. Might be
This
warm.
looks that is very warm
We're probably just
to me.
we'll
yeah.
cool that down a bit, shall
Cool
we?
it down a little bit because
Yeah.
otherwise you're gonna burn.
We were
the
too busy
salmon.
chatting and we
Yeah,
got
we were just
distracted.
having a really good... We did 60% love and only 40% cooking, sorry.
Listen, it's fine by me.
I think we should leave them.
Well, he said about the colour. When it starts to get into the middle, which
Oh,
is that
and
one,
then flip it.
and then you flip
Oh, sorry,
it.
okay.
Yeah?
Okay, right.
Is that all right, boss?
Yeah, sorry,
Thought I was
sorry.
the boss.
There you are.
Yeah, excellent.
How much of that did he put in?
He put it all in.
No, I don't think so.
No, he did.
No, I don't think so.
No, he did. He tipped it all in and then it burnt it off. You only used to burn the alcohol off.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And a dash of cream.
I'm not flamboyant. Flambé.
You are very flamboyant.
Just a tad. I'm not flambeing that. I really do like my eyebrows.
That's fine.
Perfect.
You're the
Brows too.
prettier one. We'll
No,
save
no,
you.
have
We'll
lovely...
sacrifice
You're
me.
beautiful
it's fine.
too. No, it's
apparently
okay.
not.
Do you know what?
Apparently
We'll
not.
both stand next to it. If one of us loses our eyebrows, we'll both lose them.
Perfect. Fucking hell. It's got a safety mechanism on it. I think that lit.
Did it? No.
I give up.
Okay, cool.
I give up.